be a similar problem that we discussed in previous video. So this is the question. 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 divided by 7 into 7 minus 7. So a person who don't know the rule of operation will simply do 7 plus 7, 14. 14 divided by 7 equal to 2. 2 and 2 into 7 will be again 14. 14 minus 7. So the answer you will get is 14 minus 7 equal to 7. That is not the correct answer. So we have discussed the rule of operation, that is BODMAS rule or BODMAS rule, in last video itself. So for such patterns we need to solve using the BODMAS rule, right? BODMAS, right? B for parenthesis, E for exponential, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and finally S for subtraction. Okay, this is BODMAS rule. So in our case, we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponents, but we have division. So first, what we need to do, we need to divide this. So we will get 1 and write the other terms as such. Okay, 7 plus 1 into 7 minus 7. So after division, what comes next priority is multiplication, right? So multiply this. So 7 plus 1 into 7 is 7. 7 plus 7 minus 7. So next priority is addition. So 7 plus 7, 14. Right? 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. So this way you need to solve the answer. Okay. So for more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel. You can contribute to our channel using the UPI ID given in description. If you like the content, please like the channel, share the video, comment the video. That's all. We'll come up with another interesting max mystical video